Hello, this is Dr. Adam Kopsky from Advanced Rehab and Medical, and today I want to go over a quick tip or just some information on our topic I've got going on this week, and we're talking about low back pain and directional preference exercise. So what the heck is that? So a lot of times when patients come in, they'll either complain of one of two things. Is it worse sitting, or is the pain worse when I'm up standing and walking? And so if you find yourselves, when you get up from a sitting to a standing position and you get more pain when you're walking, then that extension, because we stand up, actually hurts. So you would have a preference of an exercise geared more in bending forward and into flexion. So a lot of times when we look at research, we see, okay, when we do the spinal manipulation, if we can compound that and actually complement that manipulation with some exercises at home, whether that be exercises in flexion or extension based on what the body actually needs to help your condition, we can get better results faster. So one thing is just finding out, like you guys can try this at home, just figure out if you do have back pain, do you typically have more pain as the day goes on when you're up on your feet? Or do you have more pain when you're actually sitting? And the longer that you sit, maybe the pain comes on. So please tune in next week. I'm going to go over 2 exercises, actually both in extension and flexion, so that way if you guys have any of those pains, you can actually see what exercise to do to absolutely help what you're experiencing at home. So I hope this was actually informative. Please be sure to comment, as always, in the comments below this video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day tomorrow and a great weekend ahead. We'll see you guys next week.